Hello everybody, what's going on? We're going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2020 Honda Passport. So first you want to hit the on button and double click that. Get us to our menu. Over here we want to dismiss this by pressing enter over here on our steering wheel. Enter to dismiss this. Enter to dismiss this. Then we can finally go to the menu, and you're going to go down to maintenance, press enter, go to oil life, press enter, oil life 15. You're going to want to hold down the enter button and wait for the magic to happen. Then you're going to see this menu pop up. I'm going to press item 1, item 2, all do items. So we're going to do all do items. And reset completed. Oil life 100%. You are ready to roll. Thank you so much. Take care.